What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel where we take the madness of investing and make it make sense. Well, sort of. Today we're doing a tier list of the most volatile assets you can buy. Think of it as a guide of the wildest rides in the market, ranked from chill to outright unhinged. If you're expecting Warren Buffett vibes, forget it. This isn't about sipping Diet Coke and holding stocks for 40 years. No, this is for the kind of people who hear the words financial risk and think, sounds fun. Let's talk volatility. Fancy word, simple meaning. Volatility is just how much of an asset's price swings. Low volatility, that's like taking a casual stroll, steady and predictable. High volatility, that's a roller coaster at night with no seatbelt, thrilling, unpredictable, probably not the safest idea. Now, volatility can work for you or against you. It's like fire. You can cook with it or you can burn the whole house down. Play smart, it's a tool. Play reckless and, well, you'll learn real fast why they say investing isn't for the faint of heart. Before we get too deep, let me hit you with the classic disclaimer. This is not financial advice. I'm just a guy on the internet ranking stuff. Do your own research. Don't take your cousin's crypto tips or mine without checking the facts. And please, don't YOLO your rent money into this list. Cool? Cool. All right, let's get into it. Starting with the investments your grandpa would call respectable. Down in D tier. At the bottom of the list of D tier, we've got real estate and savings accounts. Real estate is your classic buy land because they're not making any more of it. Play. Steady, slow, and predictable. But unless you've got deep pockets or a sweet inheritance, you're probably sitting this one out. Savings accounts, well, look, they're safe, but the returns, let's just say inflation's eating that up faster than you think. This is where money goes to chill, not grow. D tier, easy. All right, next up, we got C tier, where things get a little more interesting. ETFs, exchange-traded funds. They're like a curated playlist of stocks. They're diversified, so you're spreading your risk. Let's talk about gold. Gold is the OG of safe investments. People have been hoarding gold since the pharaohs, and for good reason. It doesn't move much, but it holds value. It's solid, it's dependable, but it's not exactly thrilling. C tier. All right, now we're stepping it up. Dividend stocks. These are for the investors who like a little reward for holding the line. Dividends, they're like a thank you check for owning a stock. It's classy, predictable, but don't forget, these stocks can still swing with the market. A nice balance of risk and reward. B tier. And don't forget, you're not Warren Buffett, so don't go ahead and pick any stocks you want. All right, next up, we've got Bitcoin, the heavyweight champ of crypto. It's got less chaos than other tokens, but let's not act like it's stable. 1 minute it's being hailed as digital gold, and the next is free falling faster than your New Year's resolutions. Still, compared to the rest of the crypto world, Bitcoin's got that been around the block respect. A tier. Finally, S tier. This is for the degenerates only. Kings of volatility, crypto tokens. These things are like Ferraris of the investment world. They're fast, flashy, and most likely to crash into a tree. One tweet from a billionaire, and you're either planning your yacht party or figuring out how to pawn your toaster. Meme coins? Well, they're not investments. They're lottery tickets with good marketing. If you're looking for the pure adrenaline and the rush of investing, well, this is it. But don't say I didn't warn you. This is risky. All right, that's it, folks. From the stable but boring D tier to the absolute insanity of S tier. Remember, volatility is a double-edged sword. It can make or break you, depending on how you play it. Hit that like button and subscribe and drop a comment. Catch you on the next one, and remember, don't trade your rent money for Dogecoin or bad relationships. Stay sharp, stay cool, and may your portfolio survive the madness. Peace.
As far back as I can remember, I always wanted to be a gangster.